And welcome to this Python tutorial about how to implement a timer in Python. So the first step is to import the module for keeping track of time, which is this module right here. This is something that I created myself, so you can ignore that line. Next, we have a class that I created. It's not necessary to create a class, but I just did this to make the code more organized. And I made a function called print time. And then I called the module time, or rather I called a function from that module. And that function is time. It takes no arguments. And the function returns the number of seconds since the epoch. And in computer science, the epoch is typically the time at which a computer starts calculating time. And so we can compute the number of seconds since that initial time. If you're curious, the initial time is typically January 1st, 1970. So, at 0 seconds. So that gives you the epoch. And then we can print the number of seconds since that initial time or epoch. So I created a time object. I was careful not to call it lowercase time because that would have conflicted with this module name. So you have to be careful there. And I initialized an object of the class time. And then I called the print time function using the object that I created. And now when I run this program, we should see the number of seconds since the epoch. And here we have seconds and then a very large number that shows you the number of seconds since January 1st, 1970. So I hope this helped you understand how to utilize time in your Python program. I should probably also mention that this time value changes, so that's how you can keep track of time. To prove that to you, I can run the program one more time and you can see that the number increased since the last time I ran the program. So instead of 337 as the last 3 digits, I have 378. So this is a useful way to keep track of time in seconds. And we also have this decimal here where you can keep track of even smaller increments of time if you would like. All right, I'm going to conclude this tutorial now. Thank you for watching.